I've seen students from so many different backgrounds get immersed in LCA and really find their place there and find out that they can be really good at it. You don't have to have a mathematical background in particular. I had a journalism major once who became an outstanding LCA practitioner, and I think the key for him was he was used to seeing systems and telling stories, and so the whole life cycle story of a product over its life, and thinking about that in a systemic way, it came naturally to him, and he was able to use the tools of life cycle assessment to tell a quantitative story along with the more qualitative stories he was already able to tell. You don't need to have a strong chemistry background. You don't need to be an engineer. These things help. If you understand chemistry, if you understand environmental science, you can use those talents to emphasize that part of LCA. But really, it's a field that's open to people from a large variety of backgrounds. I think the key is you just need to be willing to think about a product or an organization in a systemic way, and you need to be willing to try and fail and learn by doing at this challenge of building models of products and life cycles using quantities, using numbers and data.